Hi my friends, welcome to my channel. So today let's explore this beautiful home here in the north side of Austin. The name is Jarrell. It's another city very close to Austin, but still it is a city that is growing, and there are so many opportunities for you to buy a home in this area. So let's check it out. Hi my friends, so yeah, let's explore this pretty home. And as you can see, there are a couple different options for you to choose, but today let's explore this one. It is a two-story home. As you can see, it also has two-car garage, and as always, well, this is a model home, so you will see that the driveway is not completed because it's the model home. And of course, well, they're not selling the model home until they sell all the lots and the other houses, and then at the last time is when they're going to sell the model home. But let's check it out. So this is how this house looks in front, but let's see how it looks inside. Okay, so as soon as we open the door, as you can see, the model home of the floor plan is different, because usually when I'm coming to the house, there is a long foyer here, but as you can see, it is not just a long foyer. There are some stairs, and on the left there is half of a bathroom here, and on this side we can find a closet which you can use for maybe for the jackets or for the shoes, depending on what you decide. But what I love from the house, I don't know if you like the colors, but look at how these light brown look and match with the white and with the walls. I think the colors are fantastic. There is also some room here if you would like to put some plants, or maybe even the Christmas tree. I think it's dependent on what would you like. Here on the left there is another little room, and it is a storage which is underneath the stairs, which that helps a lot, no? Especially when we have a lot of things to save in the house. And as we open here, we are going to find this long space which has enough area for your dining room and also for your living room. And in front of all of this is where we're going to find the kitchen. But I really love this kitchen because look at how long it is. So here we have 4 chairs, but you can easily add another one, so that means that there is enough room for 5 people to sit here. Plus you have more room here to place your dining room, so that's good. And well, and also check that this dining room is not that big, because this one only has 4 chairs, so that means that it might also, yeah, it has the room to put a 6 chairs table. But yeah, I think no more than that, because then it's going to be a little bit maybe overwhelmed. But at the same time, it's however you decide to design your house, right? And yeah, let's see here on the right how the kitchen is. So as you can see, the stove is there and it's separated from the oven and the microwave. So that means that this is an upgraded kitchen, which is called gourmet kitchen. And in the gourmet kitchen, we're going to find, yeah, the oven and the microwave in this area. There is another microwave here with a stove. This stove looks electrical for the people who like that. There is some people that like gas stove. And in this side we have the fridge. But if you notice, there is a really good space between the island and on this side of the kitchen. And I love that because it's very spacious. Like, I don't know if you can see it there, but I totally feel it. So that's a good thing that you can consider, yeah, when you're buying your house. And here we have the pantry. It is here, and right next to it we also find the laundry room and the garage door. So nice. I love this spacious place. I love it because even if you bring some friends and family, you can entertain them while you guys are cooking or maybe having some food. You can see all what is happening here around with this all open floor plan, and it's very modern. I like that. Okay, yeah, so as soon as we get here inside the principal room, we're going to see this wide space. Because look at this side of the bed, it's a king size, but it's very wide. I don't know if you can notice it in the video, but for me that I am in front, it feels very big. And even though it's big, there are two big nightstands, and I think, in my opinion, it might be the double of long as the regular nightstands. So that way you can imagine how big is this bedroom, and I love it. I don't know what you guys think about this, but I think it's super cool. And also, well, we got the closet in this area, which is got a good space. Closet, it's not huge, but it's still, I think it's good. And also it's depending how you organize the closet, right? And on this other door, we're going to see the full bathroom for the principal room. There are two sinks. We got the toilet here, so we don't have the water closet, but we still have here your shower. And we can see here down below in the descriptions the upgrades that you can add to this principal bathroom. And here we are going to see a closet inside the bathroom, you know, for the towels and so many things that we gotta close, so we gotta put in our bathroom. But yeah, let me think here in the comments what you think about this master room, and let's go and check it out upstairs. We haven't checked that area. Okay, yeah, so we're coming back here, and the good thing from this floor plan that I was talking with the builder is upstairs you're going to see a lot of room or areas where you can add different rooms, or even upstairs you can add another principal room. So if you have maybe I don't know, maybe a grandma or grandpa that would like to live downstairs and you would like to live upstairs in another master or another principal room, you can totally do it here because you can add it. While I'm here, we're seeing there is a game room. We also have more space here. As you can see here, there is another bedroom which looks also pretty wide, and that's nice because you can bring big bed here, you know, if you like that. And my friends, this is also called the loft area, where you can have here upstairs the regular floor plan. It comes with the game room and also come with another kind of flexible area, but this, because it's a model home, they upgraded and they already add the principal room, which is this one. And that's why I was wondering why this is so big, and that it is because that it has more room here, you can see. But on our left is where we are going to find the other bedroom and the closet. So this is the upgrade that you can add to the regular floor plan, because as I said, this area used to be like from here to there is a bedroom, the regular floor plan, and from here until there is another area for the family to get together. No, they usually call it like a game room or TV room, but the upgraded is this one, the master room, like combining that game room with the other bedroom that was here. So you can add this and still have a total of 4 bedrooms in the house. Look at how gorgeous it is. And I think it's pretty good for the price point that we have. I don't know, let me know here in the comments what you think. Look how spacious it is. Look how long it is from the door to the sinks. I think it has good space, and also I can leave here in the comments what are the upgrades that we can add to this second principal bathroom, because you know there are some people that they like the bath to have the bathtub. I know different, especially some friends that they are crazy to have a bathtub because it's super important. It's a relaxing time, and they usually have like, you know, their spa, kind of their own spa session in their own house. So yeah, it's for some people it's important. So I will leave those upgrades here in the description of the video. And if we continue walking here, I don't know guys, but I love the colors that they use here in the house. I don't know if you can notice it very well, but I hope this video and I hope this camera is bringing all those details, because I am in love. And look at this, is another full bathroom that is shared with the other bedrooms that are here in the second floor. So this second floor also have other 2 bedrooms. Let's explore this one first. And let me tell you something, that this feels big. I mean, it's bigger than what I usually see in different houses. I mean, that bed is super tiny, and it also has more room here and more room in this area. And I think it's pretty good. Like you can even put a bigger bed here. And we have a closet in this area here, which is good. And also notice that here the second floor has a carpet, and we can see if we have the upgrade, if you would like to add the tile instead of the carpet. If not, well, yeah, the homeowners can do it after the house is purchased. And here it is where we got the other bedroom. And I also like the space. I think this one might be bigger, because, well, it feels bigger because the door is not in this side of the bed, so that way you have the whole wall to decorate or to put your bed, you know. And this is how it looks from this angle. And from here we are going to see that the closet is located in that corner. And let's see how big it is. Okay, yeah, I think it has a good size. It's a good size closet. And this is the second floor.
Lelo Play Music.
Memories die out too hard. When we were traveling the mountains, just to find the loudest seas. We said down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go.
Let me know here down below if you have any questions or how can I help you here being in Austin, Texas. And also please remember to like and subscribe, because with that way we get the support. And with your comments, I can look for the houses or the areas that you would like to explore here in the Austin, Texas area. I'm here to help you. I am a realtor here in the Austin, Texas area, and I'm here to be your to-go agent. So now let's explore the backyard. Okay, so as soon as we come here, we can see that this is also an upgraded great upgrade back patio, because look at how this is really covered, and is because usually the regular floor plan doesn't come with this ceiling or this space to share with your family. So that is an upgrade that you can add for your floor plan. And well, it looks super long because there are more motorhomes there, but as you can see, this is how it will look if you have your backyard here. But yeah, let me know what you think about this. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for sharing your time here with me and exploring this beautiful home here in the North Austin. And yeah, and remember, you have any questions or things like that, you can text me or email me. My information will be here down in the description. And if you would like to explore more areas in Austin, well, let me know, because we can go and explore it together. Or if you are out of the state, we can do video calls, so that way you can see how the houses look like. There are so many ways how I can help you. So yeah, just let me know. And yeah, here I am to help you. And yeah, let's see. Thank you. Bye bye.